Hello and welcome to Apna Course channel. In this video, we will discuss about what is and the IELTS. It is a basically overview of an IELTS exam. Without wasting the time, let's jump into the workshop. What is an IELTS? The full form of IELTS is the International English Language Testing System. So basically, IELTS exam is very helpful for those who want to study abroad. IELTS exam is divided into 4 parts. The one part is the listening, second is speaking, third is writing, and fourth is reading. Why we should take IELTS exam? There are numerous of benefits of taking IELTS exam. First of all, those people who want to study abroad for this purpose is IELTS exam is mandatory for those students who want to study abroad. Secondly, it is a globally accepted. Thirdly, great career opportunity in exam center available in each city for those who want to take IELTS exam. IELTS exam is easier as compared to TOEFL and other exams. So next we will discuss about the exam pattern of IELTS exam. The total duration of this exam is 4 hours, 3 hours for listening, reading and writing examination, and speaking is approximate 30 minutes. So basically total duration of this exam is 4 hours. The exam fees in India it's rupees 14k, it's mean 40,000 rupees. Let's see the IELTS exam pattern. First of all, there is a one test of listening. In this exam there are 40 questions, and apart from this they also give 10 minutes extra to note down your answer into answer sheet. It is about 9 minutes. The next one is a reading exam. So in the reading exam there are 40 questions. The time hour is a 1 hour. It is also in 9 minutes. Let's just look at into writing. There are two type of writing, for academic people as well as general people. For academic people, task 1 is graph writing and task 2 is essay writing, as well as GT module. Task 1 is letter writing and task 2 is essay writing. So task 2 is a common for academic people as well as general category. Let's look into the speaking category. There are total 3 parts. Part 1 is introductory question. It's all about 2 or 3 minutes. Part 2 is a cue card. It is a 2 minutes of you have to give a 2 minutes answer. They also give extra 1 minute to prepare your cue cards and note down some point to what you speak into the cue card. And part 3 is a long question answer. It is totally based on cue card. Otherwise, they also ask some different topic as well.